Hi everyone, welcome to day 6 of your SEO journey with Knowledge Hub. You have already taken some exciting steps choosing a keyword, writing your first blog post, learning how to create the blog. Today's lesson is all about setting up two of the most critical SEO tools that every blogger and website owner need: Google Search Console and Google Analytics. These platforms are the eyes and ears of your website. They tell you exactly what's going on behind the scenes, how people are finding your site, which pages are performing well, and where you can improve. If SEOs were a car, these two tools are your dashboard. You would not drive without knowing your speed or fuel levels, right? Similarly, you should not run a blog without understanding how your content is performing. So think of Google Search Console as your direct line to Google. It tells you how your site appears in search, what keywords are triggering impressions, and if there are any issues like mobile usability or page errors hurting your website. On the other hand, Google Analytics is like your visitor tracker. It shows you how many users are coming to your blog, where they are coming from, how long they are staying, and what they are engaging with. So this setup is the foundation for all your future SEO success. Without it, you are essentially flying blind. So what you will achieve today after listening this session, you will connect your blog with Google Search Console so you can monitor how your content is indexed and ranked. You will set up Google Analytics to understand your traffic pattern and user behavior. By the end of the day, you will have a solid setup that enables you to track, test, and optimize your SEO strategy with data, not guesswork. Before going to today's session, just we will see so far what we have covered. This is the SEO roadmap. So today we are sitting on 6th. So in the last 5 days, what we have covered, just we will do the SEO recap. On the day one, we have seen what is SEO and types of SEO, on what is on page, what is off page, and technical SEO. On the day two, we have covered how search engine works, what is crawling, indexing, and ranking. On the day three, SEO terminology like SERP, CTR, DA, bounce rate, sessions, etc. So on the day four, we have covered keyword research, how to do the keyword research, and I asked you guys to select any niche which you like. So we have created a blog around that. On the day five, blog created and blog or website creation, how to create the blog in Blogspot and WordPress.com. I have shown you the dashboards also, and I have explained you in detail step by step how to create the blog in the WordPress or in the blogspot.com. So if you missed it, you can go to the day 5 video and then you can watch it. On the day 6 today, we are going to see how to uh, to the Google Search Console account, how to create the Google Search Console account, and how to create the Google Analytics account, and also how to install it. So let's go back to our presentation. So why set up SEO tools, GA and GSC? Before you can grow your blog or improve your content, you need to measure what's working and what's not. That's exactly why GA and GSC are essential. Coming to Google Search Console, helps you track how your site is performing in search results. It shows what keywords are bringing people in, how often your pages are getting clicked, and alerts you to any indexing or technical issues that might hurt your visibility. And coming to Google Analytics, provides a deep insight into your user behavior, how many people are visiting, how they interact with your site, what content they love, and where they drop off. It even helps you track conversions if you are selling something or collecting leads. Together, these two tools become the foundation of your SEO strategy, guiding every decision with real actionable data. So, how to set up Google Search Console? So, let we will see how to set up Google Search Console today. Okay, let's go back to our blog which we have created. So, I have created one website on the day 4. So here is the website. So even this is the blog which I have created. So I will take you to the URL. This is the blog which I have created, like homeloanbangaloreans.blogspot.com. This is the blog which I have created in blogspot.com. This is the WordPress website which I have created. So hope you guys also created. If you guys are not created one, try to create today by with the help of my day 5 video. If you have any doubts, please comment in the YouTube section. I will pick those comments and I will create new video, or I will reply to your comments if you have any doubts. So first we will see how to set up the Google Search Console. So let's go to Google Search Console. Go to the Google Search tab and type here Search Console Google. So click on the first result with Google Search Console tool. Anyway, I'm going to give these links, Google Search Console and Google Analytics, in the YouTube description. You can pick from there. So click on the start now. If you want to create Google Search Console, then you need one Gmail account. If you don't have one, create one. So this is the dashboard which you can able to see. Here there are two options. So domain level, we're not going with the domain level, we are going with the URL prefix. So since we have only one website, so if we have multiple, then we can go for the domain level. So here homeloan072wordpress.com, this is my website. Just let me show you, this is my website. uh, as I mentioned you earlier, so here WordPress is there. If you want to remove this WordPress.com, we need to upgrade, we need to pay monthly charges. Okay, but as of now, this website is created just for this tutorial purpose, so I'm not going for the paid version. So I'm taking here this URL link and pasting here. This is the step one, and then click on the continue, and these are here there are different options to verify. So here if you see, right, HTML file is the first version. You can, if we have the paid version of the WordPress, then we can go for any one of these methods. Like we can go to the plugins and then we can install some plugins from there. We can verify, but we don't have a paid version of the WordPress, so that is we have free version. So only one option is available for verification. So this is the HTML tag method. With the help of this tag method, we can verify that. Just before going to paste there, just I'm posting here in the notepad. Okay, and go back to WordPress. So here, go to the dashboard. This is the dashboard which you can able to see now. This is the dashboard. So here we can't install any plugins because this is the free version. So if you have the paid version, then we can install. So I will create separate video for paid version, how can we create and how can we set up the Google Analytics and Search Console later. But for now, for free version, I'm showing you guys. So here, tools, go to the tools and go to the marketing. Click on the marketing. Here you can able to see marketing tools, connections, traffic, sharing buttons. Click on the traffic. So here you can able to see Google, Bing, Pinterest, and X, Facebook. So with the help of this, we can verify the Search Console. Just I will paste the code which it has given by Search Console. This code is given by Search Console. So click on save. It saved successfully. Now go back to the Search Console and verify. So it should verify. Yeah, it's verified. Success. Now you can go to the property. So successfully GSC Google Search Console account is created. Now to pull out the data, it may take 1 day. Here if you can able to see processing data, please check again in a day. So it will take some time. To make you guys understand, just I will show you one of my website search console how it looks like after populating data. So click on search console, and I'm starting here. Already see this is the my website, one of my website, knowledgehub.com. So here you can able to see the search console data, how it looks like. So you can go to the performance here if you see the tabs, right? So just I will show you here. These are the tabs: overview, performance, URL inspection, indexing in the sense like number of pages are indexed and number of videos are indexed. Now what is the status of sitemap, everything you can check here. And here experience in the sense like our website is mobile friendly or not. And coming to security, our website security, is there any issue with the security, like any HTTP links are there on our website, you can check that. And here schema, these are enhancement, these are related to schema. And here these are security and manual actions. If you build spam backlinks, then Google will send the email that is called as the manual action. So if any manual action is there, then it will display here. If you don't have any manual action, then it will display like no issues detected. And here links, number of backlinks you have to your website, and which pages have more number of backlinks, those details we can check here in detail. Okay, this is how it looks like. So uh, performance, like number of impressions are coming to our website, you can check here under performance. So here date wise, let's say if you want to see last 20 days data or last 30 days data, then you can click on here custom also. Or else if you want to see last 6 months data, you can see here. Or last 12 months data, you can, if you want to see, you can select this option. Or if you don't want to select any of them, you want select for only custom date, maybe last 20 days or last month, whatever it may be, then you can select here the dates which you like, and then click apply. Here you can able to see number of clicks in the last 20 days. I got only 10 clicks and then 236 impressions, and average position is 67.7. And if you want to see the queries, which queries are ranking, you can see here, and which pages are ranking, you can see here. So which pages are let's say home page, how many clicks you got and how many impressions you got for home page. So all these details you can see here. Okay, let's go back to our presentation. This is how we are going to set up the WordPress. So sorry, search console. And next one is how to set up Google Analytics. Now we will see how to set up Google Analytics by, we have seen GSC with the help of WordPress, how to set up. Now we will see Google Analytics in Blogspot. Okay, if you have Gmail account, then go to the Google and search analytics.google.com. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to give these links in the YouTube description. You can take from there. analytics.google.com. Google Analytics, that's like Google Analytics there. So click on it and get started. So this is the URL analytics.google.com. So if you don't have anything as of now, you just you can see this dashboard. If you have already any accounts, then you can see this dashboard. You can add as a property. Here already a lot of properties are there, so that is the reason. Click on the settings. Here you can able to see add a property. Okay, you can add the property. Here you can able to see the create, and you can click on property. Here you can enter the property details like what is your website name, all of them. So if you don't have anything, then you can able to see this screen. So click on the start measuring. So here we need to complete these 5 steps. So once we complete these 5 steps, then we can able to see our data in Google Analytics. So first one is account details. My account name which I'm going to keep is home loan. Since my website name is home loan, so I'm keeping that as the home loan. And click on the next and second step. So it is asking property name. What is the name of this home loan Bangaloreans? So I'm going to give this as the home loan Bangaloreans. So here time zones. So if you are targeting only India, so you can use India, or else if it is you are targeting any particular country, then you can give that particular country. Or else if it is global, you can leave it as US. That is the default one. Next one is click on next, and third step. Here it is asking industry category required. So the website which we have created here, this is belongs to which industry? Mine is finance, so I'm selecting finance, and it's asking basic details. If it is small company, so 1 to 10 employees, you should just select the company, this employees strength, and then click on the next. And next step is fourth. So the main purpose of creating this analytics account, here they have given some options. You can select any one based on your requirements. Other business objective also you can select, or just I'm going to generate leads, or else you can select multiple also, not an issue. Okay, click on create. Then it is asking some terms and conditions. So select, this is the India. Since we have selected India, so I accepted all the terms whatever. Just go through the terms and then select. This is the fifth one. So we need to choose the platform. So whether we want to create, if you have the app, even you can select this. If you have the iOS app, you can select this. Right now I have only web, so I'm selecting this. So it is asking valid. So I'm going to give this. And my website name is this, as the home loan Bangaloreans as the HTTPS. Sorry. Yes. See, already https is there, so that is the reason it is throwing an error if I select http. See here I have entered with http. Yes, so that is the reason it is throwing an error, valid enter valid website URL. So that is the reason I have removed this. Then now the error has gone. So now you can create your analytics account. So it's setting up, so it will take a while. Then go to next. It is taking time. So it's asking to set up the Google Tag Manager. So I will show you later in our later sessions how to set up Google Analytics via Tag Manager. But for now, I'm going to show you only analytics. So by taking measurement ID, we will set up this analytics. Okay. See, this is the measurement ID. So take that measurement ID and go to the blog spot. So this is the blog spot. So go to the settings, go to the settings of the blogspot. Here you can able to see Google Analytics measurement ID. Here you can add that Google Analytics measurement ID and click on save. So now settings is updated. Now you can able to see the data. Just I have refreshed, so it will show us the dashboard, Google Analytics dashboard. If it is not set up properly, then it will throw an error. Otherwise it will shows the dashboard. The dashboard, how dashboard looks like. So this is the dashboard. Just now we have selected. So right now we can't see any data here, but later, maybe within a day, some data will populate here. So some data will populate here in this traffic acquisition, all of them. So just to check, just let's see real time data. Go to the real time data and open new incognito window or something, some in some other device also. Open this blogspot URL. If you have any other device, just go to that device and type this homeloanbangaloreans.blogspot.com. If it is opens, then the data here, if you see here, right, so active users, first users was here, you can able to see this is the real-time data. If we can able to see on the spot, like if you open my website somewhere else, so on the real time I can able to see this data. So if you see active users by first source, here you can able, here it will update, it will take just maybe 5 minutes because just now we have created. So here if you see, right, this is the real time. Right now two people open this website. One is here only I have opened, so and another is this new incognito window. That is the reason here you can able to see. So home loan page, two people are opened. This is the real time data. So we have installed correctly. That is the reason data is populating here. If you are not installed properly, then data won't populate here in the real time. Okay. So here the data is populating slowly. You can see here. So from where first visit everything. So just I will show you how the data looks like. Yeah, for one of my website. So it's taking time. So you guys don't forget to create this Google Analytics and Google Search Console today. So if you guys have any issues with this setup, just please comment in the YouTube so that I will reply to you guys. I will help you guys to create one. So here if you see the even the dashboards after populating data also it looks like same. See traffic acquisition, landing pages, user acquisition. Here you can able to this traffic acquisition is the main important one. Here you can able to see like from where users are coming and what is the landing page they have landed on. So and which source like organic search or social media or paid channel, from which channel people are coming to our website. All these details you can able to see. So anyway, I will create one more video and Google Analytics. I will explain you there in detail. But for now, because it's very basic one, so this is enough for you guys. Okay. So it's taking too much time. So anyway, I will show you in later. So let's go back to our PPT. So today we have seen how to set up Google Analytics account and how to set up Google Search Console account. So our next, let's move to what are the metrics we should monitor. Just I have shown you some of the metrics. So it's a this is the today is a big day in your SEO journey. You are moving from theory to actual implementation. If you have been following along, you have already understood why tools like Google Search Console and Google Analytics matter. Now it's time to set them up and start collecting meaningful data from your website. Let's break down uh, your action items for today. So first, set up Google Search Console and verify your site. Your first setup is to add your website to Google Search Console. GSC is Google official tool to help you monitor how your platform in search. So go to the Google Search Console as I shown you and choose your property type. You can select either domain or URL prefix. Verify ownership. Okay, once verification is done, you can able to see the data there. Verification is crucial. Without it, you won't be able to access any search related data from Google. And second one is create GA4 property and link it. Google Analytics 4 is the latest version of GA and it's designed for event-based tracking and better cross-platform analysis. Okay, so I have shown you how to set up also. If you guys have any issue, just comment on the YouTube. This is your core platform for understanding traffic pattern and popular content and user journey. Okay, let's move to next one. Uh, as we move into day 7 of our 30-day SEO course, it's time to pause and reflect on your objectives. So far, you have learned the fundamentals of SEO and set up essential tools like Google Search Console and Google Analytics. But now comes a critical setup. Getting clear, meaningful SEO goals that align with your broader business or content version. Without well-defined goals, all your SEO efforts can feel like shooting in the dark. That's why day 7 will focus entirely on helping you define structure and prioritize your SEO goals with clarity and purpose. So identify what you want to achieve. Your goals might vary depending on your website purpose. See, if you are running a blog or website or e-commerce site, your goal could be increasing organic traffic. So if it is in e-commerce site, then obviously sales or leads. If it is local business, then you should rank in the local search results. So or if you are creating personal brand, might aim for brand awareness and authority building. No matter what type of website you have, your SEO efforts must be tailored towards specific outcome. Okay, SEO should never function in isolation. It must support your overall business or content strategy. For example, if your business strategy is to reach your audience, your SEO goal might focus on ranking for trending gender related keywords. If you are entering a new market, your SEO strategy might aim to improve visibility in a particular region or language. This alignment ensures that your SEO efforts drive real world results, not just ranking, but also revenue growth. Okay, and just if you see, you need to set the smart goals. So this is the time to set the smart goals. As it should be specific, clearly state what you want to achieve. Let's say if you want to increase blog traffic, or if you want leads, just set the targets. So in next 3 months, I want to increase my traffic from 100 to 120 or 100 to 1000. So just set the goal, and it should be measurable by using the tools like GA4 and GSC, and it should be achievable. Always you set realistic goals. So and also it should be goal supports, it should be relevant, and assign a deadline so that you can work on those deadlines. Otherwise we will drag, so we will postpone the. Instead of saying I want more traffic, say I want to increase my organic traffic by 1,000 monthly visits within 90 days. So this is how you should set up the a goal, and we need to prioritize the goal. You might have multiple objectives, but it's important to prioritize based on urgency and impact. Example of SEO goal type: brand awareness. Brand awareness is focus on visibility, impressions, and backlinks. Conversions focus on landing page optimization and targeting high intent keywords. If you want to focus on only local SEO, then you need to uh, mainly focus on Google Maps, local business listings, and area specific searches. So if you want to expand your content, then obviously increase the keyword coverage through topic clusters or long form content. Not all goals are equal. Choose what matters most to your business at this stage. And finally, remember that SEO is a long game. Your goals need to be monitored consistently over time. Use GA4 and Search Console and other tools as well. I will show you later. SEMrush, Ahref, some paid tools. So for tracking keywords, monitoring traffic, analyze page performance, evaluating bounce rate and engagement. So with regular insights, you can refine your strategy, make data-backed decisions, and stay on course towards your goal. So get ready for day 7. These all the points which I have mentioned right now, we are going to discuss on tomorrow. By end of the day 7, that is tomorrow, you will not only have defined your SEO goals, but will also understand how to structure them to support long-term success. Whether you are aiming for more traffic, better engagement, or increased conversions, having a clear roadmap make all the difference. Okay, see you in the next session where we'll help you build a strategy around your goals. Thanks for joining, and thanks for listening to this session. So we will meet you tomorrow. Until then, bye bye.